Hey there, food historians! Have you ever wondered what a mouthful of history tastes like? Well, today, we're diving deep into the heart of medieval China to explore the evolution of a dish that's as rich in flavor as it is in stories. I'm talking about the eight-treasure rice pudding. What treasures await in this ancient culinary masterpiece? Subscribe now and let's find out. Our journey begins in medieval China, where the aroma of glutinous rice wafted through the air, and cooks crafted culinary wonders fit for emperors. The eight-treasure rice pudding, also known as babaofan in Chinese, is a traditional Chinese dessert with a rich history. The dish is characterized by its use of glutinous rice and a variety of sweet or savory ingredients, typically 8 different kinds, hence the name Eight Treasures. The dish has ancient roots in Chinese culinary traditions, and its history can be traced back for centuries. It has been enjoyed during festive occasions, celebrations, and special events. The use of 8 treasures in the dish holds symbolic significance in Chinese culture. The number 8 is considered lucky and auspicious in Chinese tradition, associated with wealth and prosperity. The diverse ingredients in the pudding are often chosen not only for their taste, but also for their symbolic meanings. The base of the pudding is glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice, which becomes soft and sticky when cooked. Sweetened red bean paste, made from azuki beans, is a common filling for the pudding. It adds a sweet and slightly earthy flavor. Dried red dates are often included for their natural sweetness and chewy texture. Various candied fruits, such as candied kumquats, cherries, or plums, are used to enhance sweetness and provide a burst of color. Chopped or whole nuts like walnuts, peanuts, or pine nuts are added for a crunchy texture. Besides red dates, other dried fruits like raisins, dried apricots, or dried cranberries can be included. Dried osmanthus flowers may be added for their fragrant aroma and subtle floral flavor. Lotus seeds are another common ingredient, contributing a mild, nutty flavor and a smooth texture. Toasted sesame seeds are sometimes sprinkled on top for added flavor and texture. A sweet syrup or honey is often drizzled over the top to add extra sweetness and moisture. The preparation of eight-treasure rice pudding involves several steps, and the exact process can vary based on individual recipes and regional variations. Rinse the glutinous rice thoroughly and soak it in water for at least 4 hours or overnight. Drain the soaked rice and steam it until it becomes soft and sticky. This usually takes about 20-30 minutes. While the rice is cooking, prepare the other ingredients. Cook the lotus seeds until tender if they are not already prepared. Once the rice is cooked, transfer it to a large bowl or a flat dish to cool slightly. Spread the cooked glutinous rice evenly in the bottom of the serving dish. Arrange the red bean paste, chopped jujubes, candied fruit, nuts, dried fruits, osmanthus flowers, if using, lotus seeds, and toasted sesame seeds on top of the rice in a decorative pattern. Drizzle sweet syrup or honey over the treasures for added sweetness and moisture. Serve the eight-treasure rice pudding warm or at room temperature. The arrangement of the treasures can be as creative or traditional as you like, and the number of treasures can vary based on personal preference. Some recipes may involve additional steps, such as mixing the glutinous rice with sugar or coconut milk for added flavor. If you're using store-bought red bean paste, you can choose sweetened or unsweetened based on your preference. Adjust the sweetness of the pudding by adding more or less sweet syrup or honey according to your taste. Different regions in China may have their own variations of eight-treasure rice pudding, incorporating local ingredients and culinary preferences. Additionally, variations of this dish can be found in other East Asian cuisines. Fast forward through the sands of time, and the eight-treasure rice pudding has transcended its imperial roots. It's evolved, adapted, and found its way into the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. From royal courts to bustling marketplaces, this dish has a tale to tell at every turn. Beyond its delectable taste, the eight-treasure rice pudding carries cultural significance. It's been part of celebrations, ceremonies, and family gatherings for centuries. Its preparation is not just a culinary art, but a cultural tradition passed down through generations, making it a dish that bridges the past and the present. And here we are, in the present day, where the eight-treasure rice pudding continues to captivate taste buds around the globe. Whether you savor it in a traditional tea house or whip it up in your own kitchen, this dish allows us to taste a piece of history with every spoonful. And there you have it, food historians, the eight-treasure rice pudding, a dish that started as a royal indulgence in medieval China and has become a beloved part of culinary history. Next time you take a bite, remember you're not just tasting ingredients, you're savoring a tale woven through time. If you enjoyed this journey through the flavors of history, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more culinary adventures and ring the notification bell so you never miss a bite. Until next time, happy exploring, food historians.